It is projected that by 2030, there will be more than 25 million electric vehicles on the road in the United States. Some major vehicle manufacturers like GM, Ford, Volkswagen, and Volvo have already pledged to produce only electric vehicles within the next 10 to 15 years. There are several reasons to consider installing EV charging stations at your property or business. Offering electric vehicle charging stations can create or enhance a green reputation for your company. It can also put your business on the map. Many EV drivers will utilize apps to locate charge points nearby or along their travel route. With time on their hands while waiting for a charge, they are likely to explore your business offering. In addition to new customers, offering EV charging could help build customer loyalty and repeat business. While it is somewhat expected these days, think back to the first businesses offering Wi-Fi to their customers. Having EV charging stations installed at your business can also be considered a perk that could help to attract and retain talented employees. Or, if you are a property owner, these charging stations could help you stand out to potential tenants. Topping off all these benefits is the fact that the business can charge EV drivers to use their charging stations. Perhaps the best reason to have electric vehicle charging stations installed at your business is that right now, there are billions of dollars budgeted to utility programs across the country to incentivize the installation of EV charging stations. Currently, Con Ed in New York is approved for $396 million in funding, and Southern California Edison is approved for $436 million, just to name a couple. Many of these programs will fund up to 100% of the cost of product and installation. Our experts at Bulbs.com can work with your business to get these rebate dollars and coordinate the installation for your site. To learn more, give us a call at 888-455-2800.